have, as far as the market open is concerned, should be coming up in a couple of seconds from now. 10 points, by the way, is what the Nifty's got. So it's very, very quiet with regards to the action activity. And I guess, waiting and watching for the Reserve Bank of India, a dovish hold is the comfortable consensus out there, although some have not ruled out a cut as well. So it's a close one. So we'll see. 24,620 on the Nifty. I think we get to market open just about now. There you go. That's the opening bell. So quite a start. Nifty Bank, unlike the Nifty for the last 2 days, has been a little stronger. We've got positive closes for the Nifty Bank. So 0.1 to 0.18% on the Nifty Bank, 0.19 on the Nifty. Mid-cap index is up about 0.25%, and you've got the small-cap index, which will come up as well. So broader market doing just a tad little bit better. 600 up, 400 lower, but this is just, very, very initial rates and market breadth out of the gates, so as to speak, and it'll change and more stuff will come on. Nifty heat map gives you a quick sense of how we likely to start, and we'll go straight to individual names and stocks. So, Shriram Finance, Sun, Mahindra on the other one end, and BEL, HDFC Life, SBI Life, etc. on the other end. More up than down. That's the Nifty heat map. 30 points higher start, 24,614. Surabhi.
No, Prashant, my mid-cap screen was open. So before I talk about large caps, let's just see if we can get Tata Investment Corp up. I mean, what is with the stock? 20% yesterday. Unless my screen is frozen, no, it's not. It's another 5.5% up on that stock today. 6%, surging like there's no tomorrow. We'll try and get you more inputs on this in a bit, but that's definitely a mover. We're talking 25% from today and yesterday and today morning opening. Anyway, for the Nifty, we don't have so many major moves. Shriram Finance. Now, the papers had put out a story about the Japanese conglomerate Mitsubishi trying to take a large chunk of equity in the company. The company came out and denied that. Stocks up about 3% at this point in time. The Sun Pharma, Ekta just explained the implications of that Pfizer action in the US with the Trump administration, 2%, so not too much of a reason to worry right now, it seems. And autos are back because those numbers that have been coming in, and we'll get more through the course of the day today. Auto sales numbers so far have been looking good. Bajaj Auto is up almost 1%. Mahindra & Mahindra is rallying 1.4% as well. Reliance is supporting the bulls case today. It's up about 0.5% as well. Lever is up about 0.25%. So then what's pulling the Nifty down? On the downside, there's some profit taking in BEL, Eternal, HDFC Life and SBI Life. And Bajaj Finance is a little quiet, 0.5% lower, as is HDFC Bank, not quite joining the festivities, lower by about 0.5% at this point in time as well. Overall, the Nifty just 20 points higher. Nigel.
Well, you spoke about Sun Pharma, Surabhi, and Pfizer is the one that's listed here. That, in fact, has popped up. That's up close to 5%. This after Pfizer has agreed to lower US drug prices, and that's what helps them get exempted from tariffs. So I guess the street is reading that possibly moving on rather large volumes for a counter like Pfizer. Sorry, there, I'm not sure what's going on there. SFB, that one is up close to 13%, and the volumes are unusually high. So, sorry, the SFB should come up for you on the screen. Big move is what you're seeing on that stock. Escorts, well, that one as well has popped up. Sorry, they're now up close to 18%. Big move is what you're seeing on that particular counter. You have Escorts as well. That's moving very, very well. That's up close to around 4%. KPIT, they put out a clarification. They were here on CNBC TV 18, and they said that business is functioning as normal. Probably yesterday's decline was because of a large investor pressing the sell button. For the time being, the stock is stable. We'll have to see whether or not it can pull back some of that ground that it lost yesterday. Prime Focus, I recall the stock moving from circuit to circuit, large investors coming in there, buying large chunks in the company. The stock went dancing away. Now, in fact, the stock is under some pressure. Some mild profit taking is what we're seeing on that particular name. But as Surabhi mentioned as well, Tata Investments, extremely high volumes. That stock continues to buck the trend ahead of that Tata Capital IPO.
Well, lots happening, right, in terms of individual action. 24,630 is where the Nifty is at. 17 odd points higher, 19 points higher is what we have going on.